Hey guys, welcome back to Days of Big World. Today we're going to be making slime. Well, I want to show you a different way to make slime. So my slime's already made, so you're just going to make normal slime, and I made up this kind of type of slime. So you're going to put slime with clay in it. I don't know if this is already made. I just saw, so I took my slime and I have clay. Put it quite a bit. Like this is not even slime. Literally. Okay. Once you've done that, sister, that's okay. Once you've done that, you're going to take some cream. I'm gonna take some something to mix on. So I'm gonna do it on here. Perfect. Okay, sorry guys. Here, wait. Just this way. Here. You might not be able to see, but it's on the surface. Then we'll put some food coloring in. Put it in and I'll show you. So first, before we do it. So we're going to do it on this hard surface because I don't really need this anymore. So this is purple. So this side's going to be purple. Don't mix it in. You're going to put some lotion. Wait, first before because it never comes out. So let's hope it comes out today. Oh, it did. Put a lot of lotion because that just squirted on me. Lotion's good for you. Because you're gonna put a lot because you're the side that we're making is gonna be very smooth. And you're gonna want shaving cream. So you're trying to put actually very little shaving cream. We don't need that much. Okay, looks like we're running out. That should be enough. So I'll show you how it looks. Here, wait. I got some on my heel and so. Here's the shaving creams. And so if I have mark on my hands, I was coloring and the dye and the lotion. So yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna mix it. I don't want my hands. Wait, sis. Why did I try to think this is Eventually, guys, we will be needing some tissue. Oh wait, I should get the hard. But yeah, then you're gonna mix it. So now I'm not afraid to mix it because before I think my hands were good. But now I just this is like a slick. Oh. So guys, so there's this video of mine. Well, I'm gonna make a new. I just want to say that for my new video, I want to give a tour of my Christmas toys that I got. Because Christmas was yesterday, I think. Wait. Yeah. No, it was the day before yesterday. And yesterday, so I'm gonna add more food coloring. I really need gloves, so there might be a part 2 of this video, guys. Just heads up. To let you know, just to let you know, girls. So part 2, you guys, just type in Diesel Big World slime parts 2, and it will eventually, hoping, come up, and you guys will see the rest of this video. So now I just made gloves with it. These rubber bands are not staying in. This one's pink. Okay, I'm not putting that in my hair, but okay. Or maybe if I let it dry, maybe it's food coloring. Okay. Comment down below if you like the color. Wait. Comment down below if you like the color. I think I kind of like it. Okay. Let's put that one there. And this one will be a there too. Oh my god, look what's okay, so I'm gonna save those gloves because I get messier. We didn't live. So the slime actually turned out really good. And there's more ingredients like I said. So this might melt, it will give it it'll give it, perfume will give it smell and melt it so it's a little bit less clayey. So it's like more slime. Don't put too much or else it will actually melt. I'll do some ASMR with this later. Actual slime ASMR. Slime is oh, this bit of slime. Okay, the camera's like tilted. Oh my goodness. There. Okay, now we're gonna put in, now we're gonna do ASMR and we'll see if anything so. Oh my god, wait, the shaving cream's about to run. Okay, so let's put it. Isn't it? It's so loud. Oh my god, why does it give out that thing? Yeah? Okay. So. Okay, just a little bit more steps to go. Done, 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 done. If the perfume doesn't give it a texture, what is it? If the perfume doesn't give it like more of a slimy texture, but it gives a smell, then you can try. Okay, the light's getting way out of hand. How about we, there. Put this in. Comment down below how you like my lighting, because So we're going to put 2 scoops of that. I can't help it. I don't know. I just like light. That's good. Here's